5 seconds is an eternity in the world of active trading. It is the difference between a massive win and a total account blowout. Yet thousands of people are paying $50 a month for platforms that are essentially stuck in the past. I spent weeks digging into two of the biggest names in the game. We are talking about the old guard of charting versus the king of visual heat maps. One of these was born in the late 90s. It is basically the grandfather of the entire industry. It built its reputation on being the most comprehensive library of technical analysis on the internet. The other arrived about a decade later with a promise of pure speed. Its name is literally a shortened version of financial visualizations. But here's the cold hard truth that most marketing departments will never tell you. If you're trying to scalp the market or play high momentum moves, neither of these platforms is actually built for your needs. Let us talk about the visual giant first. You have definitely seen those heat maps. They are iconic. They allow you to see the entire movement of the market in a single glance. It is incredible for discovery. If you need to filter 10,000 stocks down to just 5 candidates, their screener does it in the blink of an eye. It covers both fundamental and technical data points with lightning speed, but the free version is a constant barrage of upgrade prompts. If you want intraday charts or real-time data, you have to cough up the cash for a premium subscription. Even then, the charting tools feel a bit basic, the interface is functional but dated, and the indicators are limited compared to the competition. Then you have the legacy platform, the one that feels like a prestigious university for traders. Their educational section alone is worth its weight in gold. It contains enough content to fill multiple textbooks. The free version actually lets you customize indicators, but you are stuck on daily or weekly time frames. The real problem starts when you look at the pricing. You might pay $50 for the top tier, but then you realize the data feeds for the exchanges are sold separately. Those extra costs add up quickly, and the refresh rate is a total deal breaker for anyone trading fast. Even the most expensive plan lags by 5 seconds. Something just is not right about that. It kills scalping strategies instantly. These tools were built for swing traders, people who analyze the market after it closes to find the next big trend over several days. They are not for the person fighting in the trenches of a 1-minute chart. If you need to find a needle in a haystack quickly, the Heat Map King is your best bet. It identifies patterns and correlations that would take a human hours to spot manually. The correlation tool shows you exactly which stocks are moving in lockstep. But if you want to dive deep into the technical soul of a chart with hundreds of indicators, or layer on things like complex fans and retracements, the legacy platform is the winner. Just know what you are buying. Do not expect real-time speed from a tool meant for deep research. I spend my time investigating these products because I would rather not fill this space with sponsored content. If this helps you save money, then I have done my job. Keep questioning the marketing. Stay sharp. And always look at the fine print before you hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next investigation where we figure out what is actually worth your money and what is just expensive marketing. Stay savage.